Hello everybody. In this video we're going to go through the withdrawal process. If you are a company, a self-employed or a provider, a professional, this is how the withdrawal system works. So this is your provider info. As you can see here, it says pending withdrawal. This is all the money, all the services that you've completed and you've gotten paid for, but you have not withdrawn, so this is pending. Down here it says total booking, and then here on this section here it says wallet balance. Wallet balance is when you complete a service, it will take 3 days for the money to come from pending to your wallet. After it arrives to wallet balance, then it will be able, that money will be withdrawable. But usually it will take 3 days, 3 days between the moment you complete a service to the point where you can withdraw it to your bank account. And then in this here it says already withdrawn. This is all the money, all the services that you've gotten paid for and have withdrawn to your account. So we will add it up here. But first, to get paid for the services that you've completed, you need to add a bank account so we can initiate withdrawal to send that money automatically. So first go to your bank list here and add the bank. For instance, you can have already added a bank account here as a test, but let's say we want to add a new one. You can choose bank transfer or PayPal, but PayPal is not available at the moment, so we're only using bank transfer for now. So let's go choose bank transfer. We're gonna add, for instance, let's say Metro Bank. And you're gonna add the sort code. Let's just put a random one for the sake of this video. And account number, you're gonna add your 8-digit. Is it 8-digit? Yeah, I believe so. It's 8-digit. 2468. And then you can choose active or inactive. We're gonna use inactive, active pardon, and then you're gonna choose an image. So, and then click save. So the bank account has been added, but you only need one bank account. But if you just need to choose where you want the money to be sent, so you want to choose the Monzo bank account, you just deselect it and leave this one on, the Metro Bank for instance, if you want the money to be sent. So if you go to our terms and condition page, withdrawals are processed on a weekly basis every Tuesday, and it is sent automatically. So how it works is you complete a service, the customer make payment to you. It takes 3 days for the payment to process, and then the fund will be available in your wallet. So the fund, after you get paid, the fund will be here for 3 days before they transfer to your wallet. So that takes 3 days, and then after that the money will be available in your wallet. And then after the money is available in your wallet, on Tuesday every week, all the money that you have, all the services that you've completed, all the money you have in your balance, on your wallet balance, will be withdrawn every Tuesday to your bank account, to your chosen bank account. So this is all done automatically. So for example, if you completed a service on let's say on Saturday for an example, and got paid on Saturday, it will take 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then on Tuesday all that money will be withdrawn to your to the bank account you've selected. In this case will be your Metro Bank. So yeah, that's how the withdrawal process works. It's all done automatically. You just need to add your bank account, and after you complete the service it takes 3 days to process, and then every Tuesday every week. So essentially you will be getting your money, you will be getting paid every single week. So yeah, that's how the withdrawal process works.